Hi, I'm Jen. I'm an educator who loves math, and I'm going to show you something new. In this video, we're going to learn about stem plots, what they are, and how to make them. Please have a pencil and sheet of paper ready for taking notes, and also for some practice problems at the end. Here's an example of a question you might come across in class that will require the use of a stem plot. During a high school basketball game, the team manager was tracking points made by each of the 12 players. Create a stem plot showing the points made by the players and use it to answer the following questions. What was the total number of points made during the game? How many players scored more than 10 points? And what is the range of the points scored? Whoa, let's come back to that. For now, let's break everything down into steps and make sure we're familiar with it. Stem plots, also known as stem and leaf plots, are tables used in statistics in order to organize your data. In these tables, the stem is the first digit or digits, and those are located on the left. The leaf is the last digit of your number. The first step in creating your stem plot is gathering your data. Here, we'll be using our sample group of students with their height calculated in inches. Now, rewrite your data in numerical order from least to greatest. This will make finding the information and putting it into the table much easier. The table itself is very simple. Just draw a vertical line with your stems on the left and your leaves on the right. To enter your data, first locate your stems, which are your first digits, and insert them onto the left side of the table under the stem area. Next, you're going to locate your leaves. Here we have the 4 and the 5 under the 6, so we're going to insert those onto the right side. You're going to continue on down your groups for every stem, inserting the correct number. Once you've entered in the last digit or leaf, your table is complete. Now, this table will help you in future statistics problems in being able to quickly identify certain information. Now, it's your turn to try. Press pause if needed so you have time to write. Here's your data. Remember to put everything in order. Then find your stems and your leaves to put them in the correct spot. Did you get it right? Now that you're familiar with using stem plots, let's take a look at them in action and see how we use them to answer questions. Let's get back to the original problem. We need to organize our data into a stem plot so that we're able to figure out the total number of points made, how many players scored more than 10 points, and what the range of the points made were. So let's start by organizing our data and drawing and inputting our table. Now that we have an organized stem plot, we're able to answer the first question, which is simply just adding up all of the numbers to get a total of 90 points scored. For this question of who scored more than 10 points, all we need to do is look at our stem of 1, which represents 10, and count the leaves from there, which will give us a total of 5 players. Lastly, we're able to look at our stem plot and see that our lowest score is 0 and our highest score is 20, giving us a range of 0 to 20 points. Well, There you have it. That's how you conquer stem plots. Bye!